Daniel Santos is set to go down against Victor Hugo, and this is gonna be a slugfest, a true slugfest, and both fighters are very much known for big punches, controlling the central line. They don't move sideways too much. They like to control the center of the cage. Both fighters are extremely aggressive, and Victor the Striker Hugo recently scored a submission victory, which was a big surprise because Victor Hugo likes to destroy people with his punches, but heel hooks, knee bars, he worked a lot on saddles, on leg locks, and you've seen that. And Daniel Santos defeated Johnny Munoz Jr. He's 5'7", 67 inches of reach. This guy was also better than John Castaneda. Lost to Julio Arce, but I believe against Victor Hugo it has to be one knockout. Either Santos gonna get knocked out, either Hugo gonna get knocked out. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. I still think Victor Hugo is more well-rounded, so I might give slight advantage to Hugo, but no distance is my official call.